Oh,
Can you show? Oh. Oh. Can you show in a bright light? Can you flash?
What? I saw that.
Whoa,
I saw
blue.
That. I
saw something here.
I saw that with my naked eye.
Wow.
Bright blue light.
Yeah.
What if it's cops?
It's not
No,
even. It's not even dirty in here either, guys. Look,
No,
it's
it's
clean. It's immaculate.
I can vouch for that. It's
And those
pristine.
dog blankets have been washed.
Yeah, I know there's a couple of stuff on bed and stuff, but like, it's actually pristine.
Right, there is no. Oh, that was a huge one, a big, massive white one.
I'll
Just
show you.
Oh,
Whoa.
fuck, right here.
Jeez, that was
Excuse
like.
me, guys. I'm sorry, but like, there is going to be swearing because we've got really cool things.
If there's anybody here,
I
We've
just
got a
saw it.
portal.
I just saw there is some dust around.
There's a.
I can see it in light, but I have seen orbs as well.
Yeah, no, there are little specks, but
Yeah.
there ain't loads. There ain't nothing there. There is no dust. Not now.
can you see like, is there like white on?
Yeah.
You can see that. You can make the difference
So-
to what's on the curtain and what's flying
Yeah.
out. They're flying out of the curtain. Like, that isn't moving, you know what I mean? Like, you
Whoa.
could, like, I'm doing that. There is
Dust
no,
doesn't shoot upwards.
there is no dust
I'll-
either. You know, I can't see the dust, look.
David, don't.
I'm gonna tap it so.
That's all right.
Like that.
Dust falls down. It don't go up.
It's not doing anything anyway, because there isn't any. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
There is no dust, look. There is nothing.
Didn't you just hear two knock? Another one.
Wow. The one just outside of Declan,
Were you going?
table length.
Oh, okay.
It was a small one, but it was a bright.
Yeah, I need to. What's that? What was it? It's chewing on something.
His toy.
Oh yeah.
And if you look, it's not anywhere else. Like,
Right.
that's how you can tell, like.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put right. So is that?
Can
in the
you
camera
make
shot?
it?
No. I'll put that there.
And if you see it move or anything,
yeah.
let us know. Can you do something? There's a tiny, like, one speck of dust I've just seen then.
Yeah.
Oh,
Whoa!
Wow! Whoa!
We both reacted at the same time.
Yeah.
And another one there. You don't get dust shooting up.
No, it don't go up.
Come here, Declan.
There was a mass that went up the
Feel
glass
this.
bit there.
Feel it's ice. It feels icy on my.
Wow,
foot.
there's all just come out your hand.
It feels icy on my finger.
Whoa!
There's something here as well. Can you feel that?
Yo, fucking
Whoa.
hell. Sorry.
It's all right. Don't worry about it. Yeah, we're investigators. We're going to swear because it's exciting.
Yeah, it is.
David.
Oh, there's one near Dad as well there.
go in the
Oh,
pot.
you've got one. You've got them coming out your head and everything.
Don't surprise me. There's no else in there.
Yo, this is so weird.
And they're round. They are round. They're round David as well, big time.
Right.
Oh, is that
Get
Oh,
car keys.
wow,
You get
Alan.
thermometer.
Literally, you're sitting there. The most whitest one's just gone straight into your chest. I've just caught that.
Right. Is it alright if we try to be quiet for 30 seconds? see
Yeah,
if
of
I can
course.
get
Yep,
open this?
we've got to be quiet a minute, guys.
Right. I'm gonna place it on here. Can you see that? Can I angle this down
Wow.
a bit?
That's
Has the light just gone off?
Yeah, it's cost me battery.
Oh, fuck. That made me jump. Might have to just angle this down a bit so they can see EVP recorder and
Yeah, of course.
not
Yeah.
being touched. Right. Do you wanna? Who wants to call out?
Is there anybody here with us? If there is, could you communicate?
We are friends. We're not here to ridicule you. We're coming with respect and love and light.
I heard it.
Yep.
But that could have been in. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Could have been
We
him.
might we debunk that because I
Yeah,
think it might have been him.
Yeah.
Yeah. We still can't see the EVP on that. So move the EVP down onto the
Oh,
surface
yeah.
bit. No, not onto. Yeah, do it
Yeah.
there. Yeah. Can you give us a name or a sign that you'll hear? Can you bang?
Like this. Copy that. If it does that, I'm balling it out. I'm joking. Did you just go? Oh, it sounded like it was you, that's all.
My right foot is ice cold.
Desmond, feel this. My dad's got a
We're
dead
gonna
leg.
need to put your phone on charge as it's gonna go off.
Yeah.
We want to tape this going on.
My foot is ice. It feels like a block of ice.
Could you unplug my phone and just do the lead over to me? Because we've got the same phone, haven't we? Well, similar.
I'm enjoying this.
Thank you, sweet.
It's all right. Well, that's long need. Flipping out.
Flipping out. Is that my phone?
Yeah, it's charging. That's good.
Yeah, is that one? No. Where's mine? Oh,
Could you come to the EVP? Just give us a sign that you're here again, please. Could you do a light? Could you knock? Could you bang?
What's up?
Just like that. Oh, no.
It's all right.
There is a banging. Did you just hear that? There was a banging in there.
What's up?
Fucking scared me.
What's up?
I feel that.
There's a banging.
His heart's racing like frig.
That's
What did you see? Did you see something?
I saw a foot, a dark foot, leaving floor like that. Yeah. In a boot like that. Well, like in minor boot. Yeah. And there's just a bit of like bathroom curtain. Yeah, that bath curtain.
Yeah.
I saw someone peek the head round like that. Fucking, I couldn't see no facial features. It was just like a black head. Could that
This
be
is
my
unreal.
shadow?
I heard a bang as well.
I just said, hey.
Can you talk, please?
I feel that, man. It's racing.
Jesus.
Yeah, my heart rate's going up.
I'm so
That's signs of that. Even my laptop's
man,
picking
that-
up orbs on, and my laptop don't pick
I
orbs
just
up
saw
very well.
something walk from there to the mirror.
I'm going to keep it here a minute. I don't know if I can see into the toilet if I was like that. No.
I'm gonna. I had.
That was my stomach. Sorry.
Can you see like, or is that coat buttons? No coat buttons. Sorry, I'm seeing things there. I'm fucked. Sorry.
Yeah, well, you are. You've been out all day in the car and that.
Yeah, review that.
Oh, that was. Your voice is scary, mate.
There was a kid
I
then.
heard fuck.
Go back. Go back.
What?
That was a little kid saying, fuck.
Yeah. Fuck.
I heard
Wow.
that. It was like a pop. My arm's icy.
That was something. Go back.
I think that's forward. That.
Oh, sorry.
I've got a warm patch on my back. I just want you to have a look if that's alright.
Where?
It's just all around my back. It's just my back that's warm, nothing else.
Oh, that room.
It's got a scratch.
What?
You've
It's
got,
got
a scratch.
Come, turn round again.
Turn
No,
round.
turn back round so we can get it. It's
Document
got a
it.
scratch.
That's fresh.
Yeah, fresh scratch on his back.
Fucking hell. Sorry.
It's alright. He's alright to do it. 'Cause
That's
like,
mean.
it's,
Yeah.
I'll do it again.
Can someone put the thing back up so they can see what we're doing in it?
What was that?
Whoa!
The
That like a.
fucking hell was that? Again.
Oh! Oh! That's what it sounds like. Stop! That's what it's saying. Stop!
I can hear like wheels screeching like a car. Like,
but there weren't no car because we were sitting.
No. There's an older male voice. Who's talking?
It sounded like somebody saying, "That's all right."
Yeah, that's what it sounded like.
Real old, deep voice.
Who's it? That ain't your voice.
Who's that?
I heard yes.
Oh my god.
Oh man,
Guys, we're getting fucking like.
this is unreal.
We're getting like really good EVPs. Literally.
This is.
Shall we turn this off a minute? TV. That mic's just moved and the curtain.
Yo, I've just caught.
Well.
Oh, that might have been dust.
No. That is not. Oh my god.
I just
That
saw
is a
something
fucking
else.
orb.
Yeah,
We've got orbs flying around.
that was fucking massive. Sorry for swearing again, but
That was big and it was.
that what the one's just
Wow.
gonna
Wow.
got
Guys,
cramp in this
this
We
leg.
is
are going to
unreal.
film you back. We are going to film you back. Quick, come here a minute.
David.
I've got the doorway, half to that end at TV table and into the bathroom, so I'm set.
Just being busy on live.
That shit me up. Sorry for swearing. Jesus.